Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 15.3 question number 1. Question number 1 is, what cross section do you get when you give a vertical cut, horizontal cut to the following solids? A brick, a round apple, a die, a circular pipe, an ice cream cone, etc. Let us take the help of a brick. If I take a brick, question number A, if we take a brick, you see here, the first one is A. If we take a brick, what will happen? First one, if we take a brick, what will happen? How it looks like in a vertical cut or in horizontal cut. Let us take, if I take a brick, first one is a brick. A brick. A brick is looks like this. Brick looks like this. If we give a vertical cut, first this is vertical cut, and this is horizontal cut, this is horizontal. If we get a vertical cut like this, right, we'll get a shape of a rectangle. We'll get the shape like this. If we give a cut here in the middle, they will get the bricks like this. That is, a cross section will be this cross section will get, that is, this is a rectangle. If we get a vertical cut, right? If we get a horizontal cut, right? Vertical cut, this section, cross section will get this cross section, that is like this. This is the vertical cut, right? And if we get, this is the vertical cut, and if we give a horizontal cut, then we will get this type of cut. This is the horizontal cut like this. This is the horizontal cut, and this is the shape of a rectangle also. This is the horizontal cut. Now question number B, if we take a round apple, a round, if we get a round apple, right, if we get a round apple, then we'll find in this way that round apple, let us take a round apple. Apple is like this, right? If we give a vertical cut, right, if we give a vertical cut, it will look like this. It is same as that. This is the vertical cut, right? If we give a horizontal cut like this, then how will it looks? It looks like a, it looks like a circle. It looks like a circle like this. It is the horizontal cut, right? Now question number C is a die. A die. If I take a die, then how it looks, you see. If I take a die, it looks like this. Die is like this. It is a cube. Right? If you give a vertical cut, it looks like this. You see, it looks like vertical cut. It looks like this. This is the vertical cut, and it looks like this. This is the rectangle. And if we give a horizontal cut, if we give a horizontal cut, it looks like this. If we give a horizontal cut, it looks like this. This is also a square. This is a square, and this is also a square. Right? Now, if we take a circular pipe, what it looks like, you see here. If we cut a pipe, then what is the look you see here? If we cut a circular pipe, a circular pipe, a circular pipe, a circular pipe, circular pipe is like this. A vertical cut. If I give a vertical cut, it looks like this. It looks like, you see here, if we give a vertical cut, it looks like this. If we give a vertical cut, it looks like this. And if we give a horizontal cut, if we give a horizontal cut, it looks like a circle. Right? If we take an ice cream, if we take an ice cream, if we take ice cream, an ice cream cone, if I take an ice cream cone, an ice cream cone, suppose this is ice cream cone, like this. Right? And if we cut it horizontally, it looks like this. If I cut it horizontally, if we cut it vertically, it looks like this. It vertically, it looks like this one. It is a semicircle. This is the vertical cut, right? If we cut it horizontal, then it looks like this. If I cut horizontal, then it looks like this. And this is the cross section. That is, cross section is circular. This is horizontal cut, right? It looks like this. Again, we are repeating here. This is the brick. If we cut vertically, the shape, this cross section is a rectangle. If we cross it horizontally, then the vertical, then this is cross section is also a rectangle. In case of apple, it looks like this. Vertical cut and horizontal cut, it looks like a circle. In case of die, vertical cut looks like a square, this one, and in horizontal cut looks like a square also. In case of circular pipe, if you cut it vertically, then it looks like this. And if we cut it vertically, the cross section will be circle, right? Since it is a pipe, whole pipe, you can see You can see either it is circular or you can say it as, if it is a hollow pipe, it looks like this. This is the, if it is solid pipe, it looks like this. If it is hollow pipe, it looks like this, right? And if a circular pipe, if ice cream, if we cut it horizontally, it looks like this. And cross section is the section of a cone. And if we cut horizontally, it looks like a circle, right? The cross section is a circle here. In case of ice cream, the cross section is circle, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.